Oi everybody! Welcome back to Bake Cook Travel. Today we are making a delicious classic Italian dessert, tiramisu. For coffee lovers, this recipe is a must-try, and if you really like creamy desserts, you're going to just love it. I will show you how to master the most classic techniques, so you'll be a pro tiramisu maker and will be able to impress all of your friends. I also think this technique is the most authentic and really gives you the best taste. So, andiamo! For the lady fingers, you could buy these from the store, of course, but they're so much better fresh at home and super easy to make. Into a bowl, mix 3 yolks with a 1/4 cup of sugar and a half teaspoon of vanilla. Whisk until it gets lighter and well combined. In another bowl, we need to make a meringue by mixing 4 egg whites until we get soft peaks. You can start to mix the whites while you are mixing the yolks. Then bring your mixer to low and gradually add in a 1/4 cup of sugar. Keep adding sugar until you see it all incorporated and bring your mixer back to medium high and mix until it's stiff and glossy. Fold the yolks and whites very gently, without overmixing. Sift a half a cup of flour over top and fold it in very gently until incorporated. Again, do not overmix it. You don't want to lose the air in it. Place into a piping bag, making a small to medium cut, and pipe it over a tray with parchment paper, about 3½ inches, leaving 1 inch apart. Bake it for 14 to 15 minutes until lightly golden. Sprinkle some icing sugar on top if you want. Using a shallow plate, make a coffee syrup by mixing 2 cups of espresso coffee with 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Or if you don't have maple syrup, you can use honey or sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of rum. Stir everything together. Now it's time for you to smash the like button if you are enjoying this video. For the tiramisu cream, you can start by whipping 1¼ cup of cold heavy cream until you get soft peaks. Keep it in the fridge for now. Beat over medium speed 475 grams of mascarpone cheese until it is really nice and creamy. Now I need to make a zabayon base, which is basically a sauce made of egg yolks. Into a medium pot, add some water, about 1/4 cup of the pan, and bring it to simmer. Into a bowl, add 11 yolks. I know it's a lot, but trust me, it will be just amazing. You can use the whites for making some coconut macarons or for breakfast. You can check those links in the description below. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste or extract and about 1/2 orange zest. It's totally optional. These 2 flavors just give it a final touch and taste just perfect. Add 160 grams of sugar and then bring your bowl over your simmery pot and whisk until the sugar is almost completely dissolved. Then mix with the mixer until you get a very creamy texture, doubled in size and making a ribbon. Mix with the mascarpone cheese until well combined. Use a spatula or whisk. Make sure you don't leave any lumps. Whisk it gently with the whipped cream into 3 parts and finish with a spatula. And again, do not overmix it. So for assembling the tiramisu, I'm using a 9 by 9 inch tray. Get your lady fingers and slightly soak them in the syrup and place them on your plate, making a base layer, and giving them some space between like this. Add about 3/4 of your cream. Make an even layer. You can use a spatula to help. Add another layer of ladyfingers and finish it with the rest of the cream. Place it in the fridge overnight. This is actually the hardest part. Cover the top with cocoa powder and for sure some chocolate shavings. When the tiramisu is nicely set, cut the perfect slice and serve. Actually, it's hard to cut the perfect at first. The slices in the middle are always the best ones. The creamy texture in this dessert, it's really incredible. I just love it. I love coffee, so there is no way not to love this authentic Italian dessert. Even if you're not a coffee fan, why not give it a try? I hope you like this recipe and let me know if you give it a try in the comments below. I love taking master techniques and making them simple. For more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe. It really means a lot and helps grow the channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Ciao!